I want to analyze with you this very short ad for an art magazine, new art magazine, that has a nice structure that we can copy. Let's have a look. The structure is, if you like this, it shows a picture of a painting. Then you probably like this, which is a different painting. It turns the first painting into the second one, and then there comes or a totally different one, or this. And this is all together with a sort of music that is in rhythm of what you see. Let's play it again. And then you have a sound effects to make it even stronger, the effect stronger. A question, if you like this. Then there's a little pause. Now it's morphing, you can say this first painting is morphing into the second painting. You probably like this. So it's a combination of a changing picture and text. You probably like this. Or, and that was very fast, or this. This is a totally different picture. For the love of art. Yeah, so they pull you in. For the love of art, of course, we want for the love of art to see all this. And then it has a call to action. So this is a beautiful, very short animation made in two parts. The first part is ask a question and then give the answer in 2 or 3 different ways, in a very attractive way of moving the images, while there's still time to read some words. And then there's only words, but it has a very different sort of music, a sort of rolling music. And it ends with an appealing sort of for the love of art. It appeals to your feeling of course, we love the art, so we want to have this magazine. And then it ends with subscribe to this channel. I hope you like the example. You can easily make one yourself. Just put a question. If you like this and have your own thing in it, then you like that. And think about ways to make this visual attractive for yourself and make it as short as you can. Have fun!